Oh my swirls, look who's come back. This episode tonight, we're drawing Komasan S. Yes, you saw my episode with Komasan, and now he's got an S rank upgrade. Incredible, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't it? I know it's a bit ridiculous to have someone who stars on almost every episode on the line. Sometimes, I believe Komasan takes the spotlight on most of the episodes involving Yokai Watch. And to be honest, I prefer to watch the wearer of the Yokai Watch and his friends battle it, go through different battles, and go on wacky adventures. I'd rather watch that instead of Komasan in battle. Well, I'd rather watch that instead of Komasan's adventures. The only time I want to see Komasan is in battle. That and, well, that and one time when he enters movies. Now we just draw his man purse. There we go. Anyway, Komasan is a countryside yokai, and it has and he has a habit for eating ice cream. Once, he took a bite out of Whisper's head. Remember that episode in 2015? I like that one. I like that one. There we are. There's his upper half. Now we just draw these marks here. And here's his tail. That is how you draw Komasan S. Oh shoot, I almost forgot. I have to draw the special aura that surrounds him. Can't forget about that. I rather much see him in battle. I can't wait to see him in battle after this. I hope he comes up in the next episode of Yokai Watch. This guy is preferred on live television during the battle series, but not this.